This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Nate Robinson. Enjoy the good life in your own 6.7-acre paradise. The open concept floor plan features a kitchen, dining and living area west/fireplace and lots of natural light and great views of nature with French doors leading to a nice deck, overlooking the large private pond. Main bath features a double sink vanity and brand new Samsung Stackable washer-dryer combo. The master bedroom has ample room for big furniture and also features a nice closet with organizer. The walkout basement features a fireplace, as well as a big family room and another bath. The large mudroom connects the 35 by 24 attached garage plus the 40 by 24 insulated pole building has cement floor, electrical service, and water. There are so many cool extras.